You scroll, you see their highlight reel, you feel small. This cycle drains you because you're measuring yourself against illusions. The Stoics taught that comparison is voluntary suffering. Marcus Aurelius ruled Rome, but never envied others. He wrote, "External things distract from what truly matters within." Epictetus was born a slave, yet became freer than kings. He understood that your worth isn't defined by others' achievements or opinions. Here's the Stoic plan. First, delete comparison triggers for 7 days. Notice how much mental space you reclaim from that simple act. Second, each morning ask, what can I control today? Direct energy toward your craft, your growth, your intentional creation. Third, when comparison creeps in, pause and redirect. Remind yourself, their path isn't yours. Their timeline isn't yours. Your only competition is yesterday's version of yourself. Comparison steals presence. The Stoics called this living for others' approval, a form of slavery to external validation. Choose freedom instead, focus inward. Build what only you can build. That's where your power lives.